White gold jewelry is a timeless and elegant choice for accessorizing, but like any precious metal, it requires regular care to maintain its beauty. Whether you've got a cherished white gold ring, necklace, or pair of earrings, keeping them clean and lustrous is easier than you might think. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of cleaning your white gold jewelry, along with some valuable tips for its maintenance and storage. Why does white gold jewelry tarnish? White gold jewelry is created by mixing pure gold with white metals like nickel, palladium, or silver. Over time, exposure to everyday elements such as oils, lotions, sweat, and environmental factors can cause your white gold jewelry to tarnish or lose its brilliance. Regular cleaning and maintenance are key to preserving its shine. What you'll need. Before you begin, gather your supplies. Mild dish soap. Warm water. Soft bristle toothbrush or a specialized jewelry brush. Soft, lint-free cloth. Jewelry polishing cloth, optional. Jewelry cleaning solution, optional. The cleaning process. Prepare a cleaning solution, fill a small bowl with warm water and add a few drops of mild dish soap. Avoid using harsh detergents or chemicals that could harm your jewelry. Soak your jewelry. Place your white gold jewelry in the soapy water and let it soak for 15 to 30 minutes. This soaking time will help to loosen dirt and oils. Gentle brushing. After the soaking period, use a soft bristle toothbrush or a dedicated jewelry brush to gently scrub the jewelry. Pay close attention to any intricate or detailed areas. Be cautious not to scratch the metal or dislodge any gemstones if your jewelry is adorned with them. Rinse and inspect. Rinse the jewelry under warm, running water to remove any soap residue. Inspect the jewelry to ensure it's clean. If necessary, repeat the cleaning process. Drying your jewelry. Pat the jewelry dry with a soft, lint-free cloth, ensuring there's no moisture left on the jewelry. Optional steps for extra shine. To give your white gold jewelry an added sparkle, you can consider using a specialized jewelry cleaning solution or a white gold jewelry cleaning cloth. Follow the product's instructions. These products are designed to remove minor tarnish and enhance shine. Proper storage. To prevent future tarnish and damage, store your white gold jewelry in a cool, dry place, preferably in a jewelry box or pouch. Keep each piece separate to prevent scratches. Avoid exposure to chemicals. White gold is sensitive to certain chemicals. Make sure to remove your jewelry when using household cleaners, swimming in chlorinated water, or applying perfumes and lotions. Summary. White gold jewelry is a beautiful and valuable accessory that deserves proper care and attention to maintain its elegance. Regular cleaning and maintenance can help you keep your white gold jewelry looking its best. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can restore the shine and brilliance of your beloved pieces. Remember to store them safely and avoid exposure to chemicals to extend their lifespan and preserve their beauty for years to come.